Well, good morning, boys and girls. I want to show you my new wireless doorbell. I picked this up at Canadian Tire this morning, and I really kind of like it, and I just want to show you it because I'm going to be installing it probably down next to Laurie's tent. You know, I think his tent needs a doorbell, but I'm going to hide this. I'm going to hide the speaker so you won't be able to find it. And then randomly at night, with my wireless remote, I'm going to play him some songs. Like... Or... Or maybe even this. I think you'll like it.